viewers. Today we are discussing about area under the graph, which is most important topic not only for the MTCAT but for the GISE exams. So today we are learning how to actually find out the acceleration or distance whenever the graph is given. It's most important topic. Let's start. First of all, we are making a graph over here. And 12 and 24 over here, 2, 4, 6 and 10. Okay, now this one is the graph. It says that a car is moving on a straight road with a uniform acceleration. It starts from here a 4, so we not only find a acceleration, we have to find acceleration, and so also the distance is covered. So the formula of the acceleration which we will find through is acceleration is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is a simple formula of the acceleration which we'll find through the graph. Now what we will see, the value which we have 24 minus here is 4 upon, and the x-axis we have a time is given as 10 minus 0 is equal to 20 upon 10 is equal to meter per second square. This is a simple formula of finding the acceleration. How we will find acceleration is equal to y-axis, you mean y2 minus y1, and x2 minus x1 we will find through the x-axis. It is x2 and x1 is 0. Here is the starting point and here is the finishing point, x2 and x1. After putting the values and finding a solution, we have acceleration is 2 meter per second square. And acceleration, after finding the acceleration, now what we have to find, we have to find the distance covered by the car. So when we will see the graph, this graph is actually this area is actually making a shape of trapezium. So we will put the formula of the trapezium. It is for a distance 1 upon 2 a plus b and height. Which one will we use representing as multiplication sign with b, or otherwise we will say after bracket b. So this is a simple formula for finding the distance covered by the car. Now after putting the values 1 upon 2 and 4 plus 24, here is 4 plus 24, a and b multiplied with the value, it is 10. Here it is 10. Mostly this 10 is sometimes represented with the height, or we will say is h. So how we will write down in h, and getting the exact solution, we have a value is 140 meter. After finding the solution, for adding and multiplication and the division, we have a 140 meter is the answer, and which the car has covered the distance, and so also given with the graph. Now moving into another graph is that which is like this one. Here is the starting point, and 5, 10, 15, 20, and so also. Here is 5 and 20, 10. This is a simple. What do we have to find? We have find the exactly car is moving in a straight line, which is representing over here. We have to find the area under the graph in the given second. So what will be formula we will find? We will find area by applying the formula area or distance is equal length into breadth. Length into breadth. So simply 15 and 20. We will put the formula 15 into 20. What the answer will be? Answer is meter. Now the area covered by the car is 300 meter. Since this one is a simple graph, mostly coming in GSE exams or MDCAT, that we have to find the area of a moving car or cyclist who is moving in such a straight line, and x-axis and y-axis the time is given in 50 seconds. Okay, one more. We are making a similar kind of graph, that how to find the distance whenever the time is given is 10 second, time is 10 second, and the speed is covered by moving is 10, 20, and 40. This one is a simple one. Then how we will find? We will find the distance by applying the same formula. Area is equal to length into breadth. So also we will put the value, which is similar one, 10 multiplied 40. Then we will get the answer. Or the answer will be 400 meter. This one is a simple graph which are mostly coming in GIC exams and MDCAT, so you can easily crack by this kind of graphs. Now again we are making another one graph. This one is little bit change that we are making now over here. Okay, now here is 0, and after it our here is 4, and here exactly is 8, and so also it's going on. And we will see on the top our here 10, our here exactly is 20. This one is 20. Now we will see these 2 points over here. Now whether we will apply the triangle and the square formula, or otherwise we will put the trapezium formula to exactly find the area covered by a car whenever it is moving in 8 seconds and with a speed of 20 meter per second. How we will find? Simply we will find through the formula of trapezium, or 2 formula of triangle and square. 1 upon 2 a plus b and height. So after putting a values, 1 upon 2, here is 4, and this area. Now this area will be, after subtracting the areas, we will get 4 and 4. Here will be the 4, because both sides are the equal one, 8 and 4. This one is 4 and 4. This, so we will put a as 4 plus, and the second value is b is 8, 4, and this whole we will say is 8. After multiplying 20, how? This one is the speed which we are representing, and the height is 20. Now 1 upon 2, 4 plus 8, and multiplying 20, we will exactly get the answer 120 meter. After getting a proper solution, after adding these two values, 12 and divided by 2 is 6 multiplied to 20, where our answer will be 120 meter. The area covered by the car in this graph, we will easily find the area. These are some easier ways to find the area under the graph, which mostly comes in MDGAD and GISE exams. Thanks for watching and subscribe for our next video. Thanks.